Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jimmy and this is my sister,
Jelani.
And today we're going to make hot Cheetos slime! Yay! The ingredients that you will be needing: a bowl, a spoon, and some clear glue for
And
your hot
some food
Cheetos
coloring.
slime. Yeah, you need the food coloring to make it red like hot Cheetos slime.
Yeah.
Spicy. And before we start this video, make sure you click the subscribe button for you can be part of the JJ squad. So let's get started. We are gonna pour in our clear glue. So let's take the top off and put it into our bowl.
Whoa, it's so
It's so clear.
Like our bowls.
Yeah, it is clear like the bowl. Look it, you can. There's a little bit of bubbles in it too.
Yeah, mine has like a lot of bubbles.
Mine has a little bit of bubbles.
I think I all finished my glue.
Yeah, me too. I think I'm
I
all
think I have a
finished.
little bit more inside.
Look at guys, can you see me? It's so clear. Okay, I think I finished. That was a lot of clear glue.
Me too. Let's put the tap back on.
We're gonna put the top back on. And now we are gonna pour in our food coloring to make it red and spicy.
What's the key?
So here is our food coloring. It's red because hot Cheetos is red.
Yeah, because you can see it's already red.
Yes, so we are gonna put like 3 drops in our clear slime. Ready? 1, 2, or 3. I actually put a drop in there. Now Jelani's turn. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it looks so red and spicy.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna get our spatula and start mixing and mixing.
You mean spoon?
Yeah, spoon. Our spatula.
Oh,
Look at it, it's getting red.
yeah.
It looks spicy already. Spicy, spicy. Red, it's turning.
Yeah.
It's so red. It almost looks like the hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
It does look like the hot Cheetos though.
I looked pink right there.
Look at this.
Actually, it looks right.
Wow. It's so clear.
Look at Julie.
Wow. I can't wait to play with this.
Me too. I like to wipe it on my sticky hand.
Not your sticky hand. Pour our activator. So it's right here. Clear activator like our
It's turning
slime.
really red.
So now we're going to pour a little bit in.
Because we don't want to over-activate our slime.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. And then for Jelani, we're going to help her. And we're going to put a little bit too for it doesn't overactivate.
Like yours. Or think that's
Okay,
enough.
that's enough. Now
Stop
we're going to
mixing.
start mixing our activator.
Or I can already feel. I can already feel it's like turning to slime.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh.
Whoa!
Wow.
It looks so spicy. So we're going to keep on mixing and mixing it. Jen, you can't eat it.
Yes, I can. It's hot Cheetos.
Yeah, but it's not real hot Cheetos.
not edible.
It's slime.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh my gosh, Shani always does that. When something looks yummy, she wants to eat it. When it's not edible.
Yes.
So here's the slime. It smells like slime too.
It smells like activator.
We're done with our hot Cheeto slime. And it turned out so good. Look at this. It's so
Okay.
good.
Look at me, what's that?
But you know what it's time for? To make the bubble. So let's start making the bubble.
So, this is how it gets crunchy.
Okay.
I hope it's big.
Oh,
So the hot Cheetos are like over there for a second. And then I want it to
It's time for the best part. To put the hot Cheetos. Okay. So we're gonna open them.
Okay, you open. Can I see?
Look at them guys, they look so spicy.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna pour some in the bowl.
All of it. Ooh, that's enough, I think, because this is so tiny.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put one in my belly.
Let's try now. I'm going to choose this one. Now let's put on my slime.
Yummy, they're good.
Spicy a little bit.
So we were not gonna put them in our slime. We tricked you guys. Comment down below if you guys thought we were gonna put them in our slime. But this is our finished product that we have.
Because if you put them in your slime, it ruins your slime.
Yeah.
Well, that would sound disgusting.
But it looks like hot Cheetos.
Yeah. Look at this. Does it look red?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna make a huge bubble.
Julie, look, I got a for real part of my slime.
No.
Like,
It almost got in the hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
But it didn't. It just got on the bowl. Combine our slime together for we can make the hugest slime bubble.
Hot Cheeto bubble.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, hot Cheeto bubble because hot Cheetos. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Look at this. It looks so huge. It's so thick. Johnny just likes the hot Cheetos. She keeps on eating them. But Johnny, are you ready to make the big bubble?
wait.
Oh my gosh, she just loves them. Okay, let me take these away from her and let's make our huge bubble. Ready, Johnny? So this is how we do it. We usually. Are you finished?
Yeah.
She just loves them. So we're gonna take one side. 1, 2, 3. Ah, it didn't work out. We have to do it more better. I made one. But it's not as big. I want to make more bigger. The biggest one. I want to make
You made a tiny bubble.
a tiny bubble.
Yeah.
Oh! Pop! That was big!
Yeah, let's try now. Yeah, I gotta chase. Guys, come here. I got sweet.
How's your secret?
The bubble.
It's a little bubble!
Good job.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna make another bubble.
But use this side.
Whoa! That was big too. I made a lot of big bubbles.
ready. This turn. Uh-huh.
That was still a bubble.
That was close though, almost.
Yeah.
there.
Wow!
That's cool. That was so big.
Yeah, that was big.
I want it to be this huge big.
Yeah. Wow!
So huge.
This is the hugest bubble!
Yeah.
Oh, that was cool!
Yeah. It goes so slow and it pops.
We made a huge bubble!
Wow, it is huge.
2, 3. Wow! Wow, that was close.
I just go like that.
Okay, guys,
This is
that's
the
the end of our video. I hope you like it. Make sure you give us a thumbs up